Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this particular video I'll be talking about how to become a Ruby validator. This is another way of you being in, because as you work as a validator, you'll be going into through people's documents, and anyone that actually meets with the criteria of Ruby, you'll be accepting them for their KYC. And there's an amount of Ruby that will be actually be paid to such validators for each individual KYC which was success. So this is how they'll be able to earn. And the benchmark for being a validator has actually been made possible, which I think any individual will be able to do it, which I'll be sharing with you inside this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you can try and enter or upload another new video. I'm doing my WhatsApp community of like-minded crypto individual. I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. It is free of charge to join my WhatsApp community, and every other video that has to do with Ruby, I'll be dropping it in the comment section of this particular video. So let's look at here. They say here is how to apply for the Ruby Validator program that the team promised the community since last year. It's been long. It's important for you to know that KYC 1.5 is no longer in existence. KYC 1.6 has been rolled out, and validator activities have been decentralized. Global Rumina miners can now help to validate others with the ecosystem and make good earnings from their contribution to repay KYC verification for both Ruby ecosystem and the future, and other system. So the screenshot that follows this update will guide every miners on step-by-step methods to apply for Ruby validation program. So if you look at your Ruby app, here is very easy. It's very easy for you to become a validator. So when you log in on your Ruby app, the first thing is that you need to know is that you must have done your KYC before you be able to become a validator. You have to come to this particular section. Let me very well so that you'll be able to know what this particular one here, that has to do with your dashboard. You tap on it. So let me show you the next thing you need to do, which is what you can see here now. Now after that one, you need to have 100 Ruby in your wallet, because that is what you'll be using as a stake, as your collateral, yes, for you to be able to become a validator. For normal proper routine guide. So to start your application, open your Ruby and click on the profile icon, the icon that has a woman image, which I've actually showed you. You'll see this particular one where this arrow is actually pointing, which it says global KYC role. So it has been opened. The next page, please select global KYC role. So if you have actually done your own KYC, you will see this particular one where this arrow is actually pointing. It will tell you that register KYC validator. So register KYC validator as pointed by the green arrow in the screenshot. So now after that one, you tap on this particular one after reading all their private policy, invitation, blah blah blah. You tap on you agree, because if you did not tap on you agree, you won't be able to actually complete it. So in the next page that shows read and accept the private, so you have to accept it. So it will bring you to this particular place. So once tick and the box appear as in the screenshot, so you tick all this one as it appears in the screenshot. You just have to read it, because that is what a lot of validators do not know. They do not actually know their job. So you have to read your job description, private policy, and the likes. Then you tap on this particular where the arrow is that continue KYC validation registration. So after that, it will bring it. You say once click, the system will auto-generate a wallet and ask you to transfer 100. It is safe to transfer the wallet, because that 100 Ruby will serve as a collateral, and anytime you want to opt out, you'll be giving your 100 Ruby back. So please click the blue transfer button as shown below by the red arrow. So this is it. You tap on this transfer. So this is the wallet. Once done, you send it to that particular wallet. A new page shows the staker now button. Please click on the stake now button as shown in the screenshot. So this is it. You tap on this stake now. After that, you could see this person is in Nigeria. You could see validators ID is validators ID, nationality, status pending. This is the 100 Ruby that is take as at 10 of May. So with that done, once successfully submitted, you should be able to see a page like in this screenshot as submitted by one of the African Ruby miners. So after all those ones have been done, your application will be pending until successfully accepted by the Ruby team. Then you will become cleared as a verified validators in the Ruby ecosystem. After this, you will start your validating job and start earning from verifying KYC for miners in the ecosystem. Remember, the application pending status could last up to 3 days. So do not get worried if you are not cleared immediately. Congratulations in advance, Ruby. Now more beautiful updates in the coming days. So this is how to become a Ruby validator, and from there you'll be able to earn some Ruby for yourself. So if you are helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notifications to get anytime to upload another video. Thank you and bye bye for now.